Hello everyone, this is Jenna from RICHMCHN. Today we are in the SANHE warehouse. I would like to introduce to you a single drum road roller. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is XCMG XS143J single drum road roller. Let's look at the details. For compaction, it has a 3,100 mm wide single drum, and it has 1,500 mm diameter. The weight and the load can press the ground evenly, and it can make sure every area meets density and flatness standards. The accessories can be customized to meet customers' needs. Let's step into the XCMG XS143J's cab. It's made for both efficiency and comfort during long shifts. Key controls like amplitude adjustment and gear shifting are easy to reach, simplifying operations. This machine's operating weight is 14 tons, and we can see this engine is SHANGCHAI brand, delivering 104 kilowatts. With 4 cylinders, turbo, and air-to-air intercooling, it stays powerful under load and overseating. Okay, these are all XS143J machines informations. If you want to know these machines or other machines, please contact to me or our company. Goodbye.